Hey everybody, Steve with Short Shift Garage. So, what is Short Shift Garage? Well, Short Shift Garage is truly a virtual garage. There is no, you won't see the garage itself, although I do have one, and it's quite well equipped. It is my home garage. So it's neat and clean and orderly, but it's not really conducive to filming videos. I will do some in the garage, but it's much easier to do them here from my office. And it's just around the corner, so if I need to jump out there, I can. There's a lot of videos out there, and mine being some of them, where erroneous information was provided, and I chose to delete them all. I went out and I can't have people doing this. I get rid of them. Some people don't. There's a lot of videos out there that are wrong. And you know it as well as I do. There's a guy, Sean, I can't pronounce his last name. I think it's Umshed or something like that. But he's the what, no way guy. And he goes out and proves them wrong all the time. Sometimes he proves them right, which is cool. But a lot of times he proves them wrong. Well, I don't want Sean getting a hold of my videos and saying, what? No way. So hopefully, if you see this, Sean, you won't get all over me for putting you in my video. But anyway, this is Short Shift Garage, and we do things right. So we don't, if we find bad information, we get rid of it. And that may leave some of you hanging, and I apologize for that, but I have like 44 subscribers. They're all great people. I want 10,000 subscribers. I don't want just 44, and I don't want to even mislead one of them. So the videos all came down, and we're restarting a new chapter. I'm going to try to get the YouTube playlist organized correctly, and that's tough because playlists don't mean crap to YouTube. They just string all the videos together. And then no matter how you try to set them up, it doesn't really work. So it's hard to follow. Only thing I can say is if you do sort by the playlists, it's easier to select the subjects you want to understand. Use the playlist. That will help you a lot. So what do we do? Well, it's primarily focused on HP tuners. We will delve into a little bit of alpha OBD, and we will definitely delve into using the Autel MK900 Maxi, because you almost have to have something. I don't care whether you use an Autel or a Top Don or whatever, they're all made in the same place, or similar places. It's one manufacturer and different inputs from different people. So it doesn't matter. I mean, as long as you have some way to actually on the 2018s plus, you've got the secure gateway you have to deal with. So that you need a decent scanner to be able to open up the gateway and get in there and clear all those codes out. Otherwise, it just makes your tuning experience nasty for a while until they all clear themselves. So we will talk about those things along the way. We'll talk about different things that have been purported to work that don't. Things like cold air intakes, that's oxymoron. You can't get cold air from an intake. It's just not going to work. You may be able to maintain the air temperature a little better with a properly designed intake, but it's not worth the money. It looks cool, so if you're doing engine dress up, that's great. It's cool. It's a good looking option, but that's about all it is. And you can spend a lot of money on that. You could be buying a tuner up or a PCM upgrade and maybe some more test equipment to help you make your car actually go better, drive better, run better. So we're all going to be tuning on a 2023 last call, a 5.7 liter RT, and mine's a plus, so it's got all the options on it. And that just means more codes to reset. So that's what we're going to be tuning on. These tuning methods that I will be teaching you work across many platforms, but not all platforms. Once you get into the Hellcats, any type of Hellcat or Demon, things change a lot. But the 5.7s and I don't touch the 3.6s. There's no point in tuning a 3.6. Okay. It's what it is. There's guys out there that have done all sorts of changes to it. That motor can't handle it. Just leave it alone and use it as it's intended. And if you want, swap it out. But leave it alone. Leave the 3.6s alone. There's just no point in it. Everybody that asks me, hey, can you tune my 3.6 for me? I go, no, I won't do it. I'm not going to break your engine for you. The 5.7s and the 6.4s, the 5.7s have got a lot of room in them. The 6.4s, not so much. They're tuned pretty tight. They squeezed every last drop out of them. So you're pretty much tuned up on those babies for a stock engine. Once you start changing hardware or hard products, headers, cams, heads, things like that, adding boost, then the whole world changes. So it's not even in the same realm. But we won't get in. We probably won't go that far. I'm just gonna get you up to snuff and teach you how to tune these things and do it reliably. And that's basically what the whole channel is about. But if I find a mistake, I guarantee you, I will go back and find out what information I had given out that was incorrect, and I will get rid of all those videos. They'll be gone forever. And nobody will ever see them again. I don't care unless they've stored them or saved them. But so if you come to the page and you see a bunch of missing videos, all of a sudden you know, uh-oh, something's happened. Typically, it's not a big mistake, but it is a mistake. And typically, it won't affect your vehicle in any way, shape, or form, but it may cost you time. And for that, I apologize. I can only go on the massive amount of resources that I have. And I do have tech authority, so I have access to the shop manuals. I have, I get YTech, the whole 9 yards. It's $1,769 a year for that tech authority account and YTech. Although the YTech, it's kind of a waste of money because I only use it when I need to absolutely verify things, and it's not perfect. There's a lot of things that we discover on our own. And when somebody says, hey, this doesn't really do this, then I have to dig it. And I have to get in there and dig until I figure out, hey, is this really right? Or is it going to affect the way I teach my tuning? And when it does, those videos are gone. If I taught it a different way, those are gone. You will not see them again. But they hopefully will be replaced with the correct video. So not all is lost. Many of these videos will be coming back shortly. I have to go through each and every one of them. But, and that takes a little time. I have a full-time job also. So it takes some time and I will get them back out there. All right, everybody. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. You guys, the likes and the subscribes matter. They matter big time. And it's not about the money. It's about who gets to see the videos, because if you don't like and subscribe, YouTube just doesn't distribute them. It doesn't put them out there. So They'll just say, you know, hey, I'm locked in. I'm only going to distribute these videos to subscribers, and that's it. It won't go out there past that. So, like and subscribe and comment. Comments really make a difference. The more comments I get, the more I learn, and the more you can learn. And then the more I can govern the comments and keep bad comments out, things that could be misleading. So comment, please. Do appreciate it. All right, guys. So we're going to delve right into this stuff right off the bat again. And I will probably put the first 5 or 6 videos that I had up before back up again, because I'm pretty sure there's no major changes to those that need to be made. I may make some of them slightly different, but those are going to go back up again. All righty, guys. You all take care, and thank you all so much. Appreciate it. Bye-bye.